Hi guys, this is SurBhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to my first ever makeup video here on YouTube. Today's look is gonna be the simple, effortless, elegant, no makeup look. One thing to note about this look, it's really different for each person. I like to go more on certain things versus others. But overall, I hope you guys take some inspiration from this video and find ways to incorporate in your own makeup routine. Please like and subscribe to my channel and do let me know if there are any other makeup looks you want me to create here, and I'll be very glad to do the same. To see the final transformation, continue watching. So now after applying a good layer of hydrating moisturizer, I'm going to prime my face. Today I'm using SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Using primer underneath your makeup will make everything last longer, whether that's a full face of makeup or even a simple BB cream. I'm going to incorporate color corrector as I have dark spots under my eyes. The whole goal of color correcting is to correct skin tone issues such as dullness, redness, or dark spots. I'm using MAC Prep+Prime in the shade Peach Lustre. If you do not have these concerns, feel free to skip this step. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender and using the pointed side, I'm going to blend the product that we just applied. Remember to use bouncing motion as it helps to press the product into the face. I highly recommend buying a beauty blender as they are meant to be used by patting against the skin to stipple the makeup. This also helps to avoid streaking and makes your makeup look more natural. Now it's time to add foundation. Today I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth foundation, mixing two colors, 310 Sun Beige and 330 Toffee. As you can see, I'm adding pea-side dollop of foundation of both colors, mixing those two, dotting the foundation around my face, and then I'm using the damp beauty blender, basically the rounded side, and blending the foundation evenly. So as you can see, beauty blenders are extremely useful and they blend the foundation seamlessly, giving skin an even and airbrushed finish. One pro tip is to never forget your neck and make sure that your neck and skin are always on the same shade. You could totally customize this look by skipping foundation and using a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer instead. So once I've applied foundation, I like to set my face using a foundation powder. I'm using BareMinerals BareSkin Protecting Veil Foundation Powder in the shade Tan to Dark. I'm using MAC 138 to set the area under my eye to prevent it from creasing. Also going over this fluffy brush by Real Technique to set the rest of my face using BareSkin Protecting Veil. I highly recommend using this powder even over a moisturizer or a BB cream. This is a lightweight powder that gives a flawless finishing touch. Now it's time to define our eyebrows. I'm using this super easy filling and shaping eyebrow pencil with a spoolie attachment. This is Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. First I go with the spoolie attachment to groom eyebrow hairs into place. Next I'm using the pencil side and I'm doing short light strokes that mimic the length of my eyebrow hair to make it look more natural. Again, I'm going over the spoolie side to blend the applied brow color. Finally, I am setting my eyebrows using this Voluminizing mascara. It's Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade medium or medium deep. Again, you could customize by skipping the eyebrow pencil part and using just this Voluminizing mascara. For my everyday makeup look, I usually don't go heavy on my eyes, so I skip the eyeliner and I just stick to lining my waterline. I'm using L'Oreal extra intense liquid pencil eyeliner in the shade Carbon Black. This step is optional, but I am curling my lashes and applying mascara. The product that I'm using is L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof Feline Mascara. If you were to own just one mascara, I would highly recommend to buy this. The wand is flexible, does not pull out too much product, and does not leave your lash messy and cloggy. So next, let's add some light contouring to define our face. I feel like a lot of people think contouring has to be this intense process, but all you have to do is add bronzer around the hollow areas of the cheek, and that does the magic. Today I'm using NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick in the shade Deep Profond. As you can see, I'm using the contour side of the stick, drawing lines all over my face that needs more definition and depth. I'm using Sephora's Pro Angled Brush number 75, making small circular motions and merging it into my base foundation. I'm using Real Techniques Fluffy Brush and going all over my face again to make sure that there are no harsh lines and the product is blended in seamlessly. So you could even use a brown colored blush and just do the same circular motions, and that will achieve the same look. So now let's add some blush. I'm using MAC blush in the shade Peaches. So apply your blush in an angular motion, blending from the apples of the cheek towards the temples. If you were to use one blush that goes with all seasons and all look, is this color Peaches. It suits very well for an Indian or ethnic skin tone. So finally, I'm going back with my Real Techniques blush and blending all the product and making sure there are no harsh lines. This step is completely optional, but for the sake of today's look, I'm adding this highlighter. This is MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Global Glow. Global Glow. If you're Indian or ethnic skin tone, this gold tone highlighter makes your skin look flawless, dewy, and amazing. So I'm just adding highlighter to the top of my cheek, under my eyebrow, bridge of my nose, and a little bit over my lip. As a pro tip, I'm setting this with the beauty blender, with the damp beauty blender, to make sure that it looks flawless and blended in perfectly with the rest of my face. Finally, it's time to add a lip color. I'm going for a nude pinkish lip. I'm using MAC Edge to Edge lip pencil, and then adding some pink color with MAC's All Fired Up. So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys love this look and implement this in your own way to your everyday makeup routine. Do let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this look, or what is your everyday makeup routine, or what are your go-to products? Thanks again for tuning in, means a lot. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.